everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I had a consumer called Viter Energy Mints contact me and wanted me to do a review on this item. So here we go. Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Ever run out of energy with all that reselling business you have to do? Check out this new item that I'm going to review. Okay, so I've got Viter Energy Mints right here. It says Viter Energy Wintergreen flavored. It's a dietary supplement. It's supposed to boost your energy and, of course, freshen your breath. It is sugar-free, and so I got it in the mail, and it has 20 things in it, and I believe they run about $5 for the 20, so I just took the wrapping off. It says there's 0 calories, less than 1 gram of carb, and the carb is from sugar alcohol. So those of you on the keto diet, this will be great. So I'm gonna try these out, just kind of show you what they look like. Looks like they're kind of the size of a large Tylenol. I have heard that if you chew them like you do like a Lifesavers mint, they're kind of strong. So we're going to try it and see what it tastes like. Tastes exactly like eating a white Lifesaver. And it says that it's supposed to have half a cup of coffee worth of caffeine. So if you're like me and you like to drink your coffee or have your caffeine in the morning, the worst thing that you hate is having coffee breath. And so this kind of does the best of both worlds because it's sugar-free, it's keto-friendly for the keto diet, and it freshens your breath, and now you smell like wintergreen instead of old coffee. So it tastes exactly like a Lifesavers. Definitely don't want to bite into it. It's a lot stronger than a Lifesavers, but it's really, really good, and I would definitely recommend this. Not getting jittery or anything like that. I've actually already had a cup of coffee today, and I'm pretty sensitive to getting jittery if I have too much caffeine, but so far so good. I like it. So if you're interested, check out the Viter Energy Wintergreen Mints and it comes in a nifty little container. As you can see, it's really small, fits easily in a men's pocket or a woman's purse. So really, really good, and I like it. I think I'm definitely going to use this whole bottle. Thanks. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.